They're gonna be like 5 minutes each, dog. Every 5 minutes hit, just stop and hit. You know. Man, you know? Man, you know? Man, you love this beat. Shit, though, you know? Back to the beat. Wait, it was 5 minutes? It went over 5 minutes. You ain't do nothing, you ain't click the end button or nothing? Man, you know? And over here messing with this beat. Got tents in the house, you know. Once again, got Cuzzo in the house. Cuzzo. Hey, man. You know how that go. Uncle Ryan be talking like that. That's like the... Oh, yeah. That beat was sweet. That beat was kind of sweet. You know, got this MIDI over here. What melody is that? Man, you know? That old ass melody, dog. That old ass beat. Man, you know, gotta get a shout out, you know, shout outs to the CNC Black, man, to the people, you know, people in the CNC Black, you know. Hold on, damn, someone wants to like. Tense on the phone. Come on. Hello? Hello? Hi. I remember I had knocked that can over, and I had to clean it up. I hear my mama call me when I'm somewhere, ask me what I did at the house. No, I moved when I was painting over there. I moved the stuff over to the other side. And then when it dried up, I moved it back over here. I'm gonna have to brush that there. No. Okay. You know, got a little cash. We ain't got stacks on. They got a little cash, you know. Look, this some hustling money, you know. Hustling money. Hustling, cutting grass. Just cutting grass. What's the word? My mom's tripping because remember when I was painting in the basement. Like she said, I got stuff on her.